Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to delete Bluetooth phones from the system. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now there is a total of 5 phones you can have paired at the same time, I believe, and once you reach that limit you will have to delete at least one to be able to add a new one. Now to do that, press the phone button on the dashboard, and now the system will try to connect to a phone. To abort that, just press the right arrow button or the left one, and now you're in the Bluetooth menu. Now to scroll through the menu options, you can press right or left button, right, and just go through the options until you reach delete device. You can delete one device or you can delete all of the devices. It's up to you. And this button right here, the tune button, this is the OK button to confirm the selection. So in this case, I will select delete a device, press OK. Now I believe I have only one device on this vehicle. Yes, I do. And now press OK here. Confirm delete. Yes. Device deleted. And that's it. Other options, like I said, delete all devices. If you just purchased this vehicle, there's a bunch of phones saved. You just select this, press OK, confirm delete all, and yes. And once you do that, you can add your own Bluetooth device. See, add Bluetooth device. I've also recorded a video on how to do that. In the description you will find a link to that video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.